Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dhruv Sharma. In this video, we are going to learn about the various devices used in computer networks for transmitting the data. Okay, so the various devices may be of hardware and software or both hardware and software. Okay, today we are going to learn about the hardware, software and both hardware, software. Okay, devices. Okay, the first one is cables, repeaters. These are the various devices for cables, repeaters, hub, bridges, switches, router, gateways, IDs, the IDS, intrusion detection system, firewalls, and modem. So basically, for these are the most important devices we are going to cover in the whole chapter. Okay, these hardware and software are used for transmitting data. Basically, these devices are used in the backend. Okay, how you're transmitting the data from a laptop to a computer or a laptop from a mobile to one device to another. So the backend who is transferring these data and which convert the digital to analog signal, analog to digital signal. So for those background devices which are used to transmitting the data, these are the devices. Okay, so cables, as the cable repeaters, and we learn little bit of short note on in the video of physical layer. Yeah, so the cables are used for transmit data from one device to devices. Repeaters for, like I told you na, for like strengthen the signal. If there is a low signal, it basically provide a strong signal network for it. Hubs, hubs is basically multicasting. It helps for the multicasting communication we see in the topologies. Okay, in star topology we see. Okay, bridges are also used, switches also used. Switches basically the on and off, stop and start and on and off for devices. You will see in the topic, like in the previous in the previous chapter, in the previous video where we learn about the synchronize and asynchronize. Okay, so in that part we use switches for start and stop the data transmitting. Router is also, you know already. Gateways, as the name suggests, there are many gates for many bases. Like in this you can there are basically gates. Okay, so in there are different gates, like it used IDS, firewalls, routers, switches. Okay, so we are going in the next video we are going to cover in one by one in detail of these devices. Okay, IDS basically, so these two IDS and firewall are used for used in the sector of security, where security is must. So we use intrusion detector system, IDS, and firewall. Okay, now modem, you already know what is modem. We use in our computer labs and in IIT companies modem, or in a society also. Yeah. So basically, these three cables, repeaters, and hubs are only hardware. They are hardware device. Okay, they are the hardware device. They don't use any software for transmitting the data. Okay, these three are software plus hardware. So you can now calculate that their cost is more as compared to these hardware, because it consists both software and hardware. Okay, now these three are the softwares. You already know very well. Firewalls, you can see the firewalls in your computer, like antiviruses we use for the security of the data. So that's all today. That's all in this video. In the next video, we are going to learn about the cable repeaters and hubs, bridges, and detail. Okay, thank you.